Okay, so what's your name and why'd you come today?
Hi everyone, my name is Edwin. I was invited to the life design workshop by my good friend Chris, but I feel like I just needed this workshop came just at the right time. I just ran my first workshop last week. That was out of my comfort zone, but I did it anyway, and I'm ready for the next step. I'm ready for bigger things.
And what did you get out of today?
I feel like what I got the most out of today is just to put commitments and what's in your head into something concrete using the mind map and some of the other tools as well, because I sometimes tend to overthink, and by attending this workshop I was able to just make the commitment and make the process simple, that you can commit to a project or a business goals, and it's good to have people to keep you accountable as well.
And who do you think should come?
If you want more out of life, if you feel like you're stuck in a rut and working 9 to 5 and have no direction in life, and you know that there's more to life than just like paying the bills, you should come and check out this workshop.